Hi, Sam Weerawarna from Yes Real Estate, and today I'm in Pascoe Vale. To be precise, I'm standing opposite the Northern Golf Club to show you this street-facing townhouse in a premium Pascoe Vale location. 2 bedrooms, open-plan living and a balcony. This one is ideal for first home buyers, downsizers or investors. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Positioned right opposite the Northern Golf Club and beside HM Dowd Reserve, this home offers the perfect mix of comfort, convenience and low-maintenance living. Inside, you'll find 2 spacious bedrooms, open-plan living and dining, polished timber floors and a private balcony filled with natural light. The modern kitchen features stone bench tops, stainless steel appliances, a dishwasher, breakfast bench and plenty of cupboard space. You'll also enjoy split system heating and cooling throughout, high ceilings, a study nook, courtyard space, established gardens and a rear access carport. And when it comes to location, it doesn't get much better than this. Walk-in distance to cafés, shopping strips, local schools, parks, bus stops and both Pascoe Vale and Oak Park train stations. All this just approximately 11.5 kilometers from Melbourne CBD with easy access to CityLink, the Ring Road and Melbourne Airport. Some homes just have that feeling, and this one is definitely one of them. I'll see you at one of our opens.